Okay, student. Today start the next topic. Solving a quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. Before video, we are explain what is the quadratic equation and verify the quadratic equation. Check the quadratic equation. If one roots are given, then define the roots of the quadratic equation. Next topic we are explain before video. Completing square method and so very important next topic, solve a quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. This quadratic formula is also known as Sridharacharya rule. This type of quadratic formula is also called Sridharacharya rule. So first of all, let a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is defined. Quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is known as quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, where b square minus 4ac is also defined the nature of quadratic equation. B square minus 4ac is defined the nature of quadratic equation. Nature of quadratic equation means this condition is also known as discriminant of quadratic equation. B square minus 4ac. This type of b square minus 4ac discuss about the next topic. So first of all, prove the quadratic equation. Suppose beta ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. A common, x square plus b by ax plus c by a is equal to 0. a को बेटा ट्रांसफर करेंगे 0 हो जाएगा, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी बाई ए एक्स प्लस सी बाई ए इक्वल टू 0. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी बाई ए एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस सी बाई ए. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी बाई ए एक्स प्लस बी स्क्वायर अपॉन 4a स्क्वायर आर एडिंग टू द बोथ साइड. माइनस सी अपॉन ए प्लस बी स्क्वायर अपॉन 4a स्क्वायर are added to the both side. तो a square plus b upon 2a का square, b square plus 2 the value of a into x, the value of b upon 2a. Suppose 2 cancel to bx upon a, same value यहाँ पे मिल रही है, is equal to take the LCM 4a square, a cancel minus 4ac plus b square. Next बेटा, this condition is known as x plus b by 2a का whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Suppose x plus b by 2a is equal to root of plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a का square. Next, x plus b by 2a is equal to plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon next. तो x plus b by 2a upon beta 2a, x is equal to this value, transfer this side minus b upon 2a plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Take the LCM upon 2a minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac. This is the quadratic formula beta. Okay, तो quadratic formula x is equal to is define the two roots. First positive root, x is equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Next negative root, x is equal to minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. तो write down this is the quadratic formula. Okay बेटा, तो quadratic formula is also defined the x is equal to minus b plus minus root में b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Given the two roots, first positive root x is equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Negative root x is equal to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. First of all, write. Solve the quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Three examples are related to the quadratic formula. Solve the each and every quadratic equation. Each and every quadratic equation define the two roots of the value using the quadratic formula. So first of all, this question compared to the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Suppose equation first and second. Compare the equation first and second. Comparing the equation first and second, the value of a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 3. Quadratic formula apply in this question. X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. X is equal to the value of b minus 7 minus minus plus minus minus 7 का स्क्वायर माइनस 4a की वैल्यू 2 इंटू सी की वैल्यू 3 अपॉन 2 इंटू 2. एक्स इज इक्वल टू 7 प्लस माइनस रूट ऑफ 7 7 जा 49 माइनस 4 2 जा 8 8 3 जा 24 अपॉन 4. एक्स इज इक्वल टू 7 प्लस माइनस रूट ऑफ 49 माइनस 24 25 अपॉन 4 बेटा. एक्स इज इक्वल टू 7 प्लस माइनस 5 अपॉन 4. This value is given two terms. First, positive roots. Positive roots means x is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4. 7 and 5 is equal to 12 by 4. 4 3 is 12. The first root is equal to 3. Second, negative root. Negative root define x is equal to 7 minus 5 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4, cancel out 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2, second root. Okay, beta. So this is the two roots of the equation x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2. Next question. First of all, we have compared the quadratic equation similarly. Bx plus c is equal to 0. The value of a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3 or c is equal to 3. Apply the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. X is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus minus root of b square 4 root 3 का स्क्वायर minus 4 a की वैल्यू 4 and c की वैल्यू 3 upon 2 into 4. X is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus minus root of 4 root 3 का स्क्वायर 4 4 जा 16 3 जा 48 माइनस 4 4 जा 16 3 जा 48 अपॉन बेटा 4 2 जा 8. x is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus minus the value is 0 upon beta 8. x is equal to minus 4 root 3 upon 8. 4 2 जा 8. x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. This is the value of the quadratic equation. The first root of the quadratic equation minus root 3 upon 2. ठीक है? Any problem? तो first of all write down. Next we are discuss this type of question. This question is not defined the quadratic form. First of all, solve the question and convert in the form of quadratic form. 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 upon 30. Where x not is equal to minus 4 and 7. Okay. So first of all, this question convert in the form of 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Is equal to 11 by 30. Next, Take the LCM of x plus 4 x minus 7 second bracket x plus 4 cancel x minus 7 minus x plus 4 is equal to 11 upon 30. X minus 7 minus x minus 4 upon multiply the both term x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 7 4 is 28 is equal to 11 by 30. X cancel 7 and 4 minus 11 upon x square minus 7 plus 4 minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. 11 cancel 31 ja minus 30 is equal to x square minus 3x minus 28. X square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 is equal to 0. X square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. It means this question convert in the form of first of all quadratic equation, then after solving the quadratic formula x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Compare the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 2. Apply the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. X is equal to minus minus plus minus b square minus 3 k square minus 4 a की value 1 c की value 2 upon 2 into 1. X is equal to 3 plus minus root of 3 3 is 9 minus 4 2 is 8 upon 2. X is equal to 3 plus minus 9 minus 8 1 root 1 की वैल्यू 1 अपॉन 2. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पॉजिटिव टर्म पॉजिटिव रूट्स की जब बात करेंगे पॉजिटिव रूट्स x इक्वल टू 3 प्लस 1 बाई 2 इक्वल टू 4 बाई 2 2 2 जा 4 तो x इक्वल टू 2. नेक्स्ट निगेटिव रूट्स की जब बात करेंगे निगेटिव रूट्स इज डिफाइन x इक्वल टू 3 माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 2 अपॉन 2 2 2 कैंसिल x इक्वल टू 1. ओके बेटा. So many questions you are solved by using the quadratic formula. Okay, first of all write. Next, define the nature of the roots of quadratic equation. Very very important topic. Nature of the quadratic equation means a nature of the quadratic equation is also define the given quadratic equation is the roots are real roots or the imaginary roots or the equal roots. So means nature of the quadratic equation is also define the discriminant. Discriminant is also define the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is also denoted to the d. So first of all definition of the nature of the quadratic equation. Nature of the roots of a quadratic equation means nature of the roots of a quadratic equation means the given root is real roots. Means nature of quadratic equation of the roots is defined to the to real roots or imaginary roots or the equal roots. And real roots, imaginary roots and equal roots is also depend the discriminant. Discriminant मतलब b square minus 4ac. The value of b square minus 4ac is defined the quadratic equation. The given quadratic equation is real roots or the imaginary roots or the equal roots. And also the nature of roots depend on the value of b square minus 4ac. मतलब नेचर ऑफ रूट्स किस पर डिपेंड करता है बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac और बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज कॉल्ड डिस्क्रिमिनेंट एंड डिस्क्रिमिनेंट डिनोटेड बाय डी. मींस द गिवन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन आर डिफाइन थ्री कैटेगरी. फर्स्ट इफ द डिस्क्रिमिनेंट d ग्रेटर देन 0. d ग्रेटर देन 0 मतलब b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज ग्रेटर देन 0. मीन्स बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज ग्रेटर देन 0 मतलब पॉजिटिव वैल्यू. तो बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज ग्रेटर देन 0. द गिवन रूट्स इज रियल और अनइक्वल रूट्स. मीन्स अगर b d की वैल्यू d इज ग्रेटर देन 0 और b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac 0 the given roots is also real or unequal roots. Next, if d less than 0, d less than 0 means b square, the value of b square minus 4ac less than 0. Less than 0 मतलब negative number, means the given roots is not real roots, not real roots. So this value is called not real roots, means imaginary roots. Imaginary roots. Third, if discriminant, the value of discriminant is equal to 0, means the value of b square minus 4ac is defined the 0, the given roots is equal and real roots. Means now, if d is equal to 0, the given condition is also defined the equal roots. Again, if d greater than 0, the given root is called beta real roots. If the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac less than 0, so this is not real roots. If d is equal to 0, matlab the value of b square minus 4ac is also defined the equal to 0, the given roots is called equal roots. So write down first of all and solve the example related to the nature of the quadratic equation. Means discriminant, solve the quadratic equation by the nature of the quadratic equation. The first question, find the nature of the roots of quadratic equation. The given equation, the given quadratic equation is given, and find the nature of the quadratic equation. So first of all, this question, compare the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The value of a is equal to beta 2 and the value of b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So d is equal to the value of b is equal to minus 3k square minus 4a and c. So d is equal to 3 3 is 9, 5 2 is 10, 4 is 14 and 4 2 is 5. D is equal to minus 31. D is equal to minus 31 means d is less than 0, means minus 31 less than 0. So has the roots is defined not real root, means this root is called imaginary roots. Means the value of d is less than 0, minus 31 means minus 31 less than 0, so the given roots is called not real roots. Next, compare the quadratic equation ax plus b plus c is equal to 0. The value of a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. Define the nature of the quadratic equation by discriminant. Define nature of quadratic equation using the formula of discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac minus 4 root 3 ka square minus 4a into c. Minus 4 root 3 ka square, 4 4 ja 16, 3 ja 48, minus 4 4 ja 16, 3 ja 48. The value is 0, d is equal to 0, means has equal roots, real or equal roots. Okay beta. Next question, find the value of k. Find the value of k and the given roots are equal roots. Means the given question, in this question roots are given, means roots are given means the each and every roots are given equal roots. Then find the value of k. So first of all, compare 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Compare the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The value of a is equal to 2, b is equal to k and c is equal to 3. Given has equal roots. The nature of the quadratic equation is also given. The roots are equal roots. Then d is equal to 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. The value of b is equal to k ka square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0. K square is equal to 4 2 z 3 जा 12. K is equal to plus minus root में 12. K is equal to 4 3 जा 12 plus minus 2 root 3. The value of quadratic equation plus minus 2 root 3. Okay बेटा, next question. Next, find the value of k. The given equation kx, k minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Multiplied then k square x, kx kx minus 2. So first of all multiply k square x square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. So first of all compare ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The value of a is equal to k square, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. The given has equal roots. The given the quadratic equation has equal roots means d is equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 beta. The value of b minus 2k का square minus 4a square into 6 is equal to 0. तो 2k का square 4k square minus 6 4 जा 24k square is equal to 0. तो 24k square 20 minus 24k square minus 4k minus 20k square is equal to 0. K square is equal to 0. Then k is equal to 0. The value of k is equal to also given 0. To write down first of all. So this lecture are completed this video. Next video we are explain word problem related to the word problem by the quadratic equation. So first of all write down and solve each and every question related to the NCERT book under the R. Agarwal book, side books. Solve.